to change password on Facebook. In this video, I'm gonna show you the quick and easy way to change password on Facebook. Without much ado, let's get started. Open Facebook application on your device. Make sure to log in and sign in to your account. Tap on three-line menu icon at top right corner. And on this menu page, select the gear icon at the top right corner. This will let you access settings and privacy page. Tap on see more in account center at top of the screen. Then proceed towards password and security. Now on this login and recovery page, select change password option. Choose your account where you want to make change. And here you land on change password page, where you need to enter the current password, new password, and then confirm the new password. If you wish to log out of other devices, check mark the box, otherwise leave as it is. In case you forget your password, tap on forget your password link and then recover your password. Once done, select the change password button, and with that, you will easily change password on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.